Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy, and it does not boast. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does delight. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always preserves. Love never fails.
If I love you till the end of time, darling, all the...
On behalf of Jackson and Erin and their families, I'd like to thank everyone for coming today. Heavenly Father, we thank you for this day. We thank you for every moment that has taken place in Jackson and Erin's lives that has shaped them into the man and woman that they are today.
You took this wounded heart of mine, put it back together.
Ever since I was a little girl, I've always dreamt about this day. I've always prayed that God would place the right man in my path. I know that God created you specifically for me to be my husband.
Erin, it's hard to put into words what you mean to me. You are incredibly hardworking, beautiful, loving, and I truly couldn't be luckier. I often think about how fortunate I am to have met you and your family. The impact you have made on my life has been monumental. I vow to always take care of you regardless of our circumstances. I vow to raise our future children to know the Lord and love Jesus.
I will love you even when you swear you have some fatal disease after you cough just once. I vow to always put God first and you second, and to push each other closer to Him every day.
All I've ever wanted. And all my imperfections.
Finally, I vow to stand with you when the struggles of life bring you down, celebrate with you when life brings you joy. You are my very best friend, and I vow to choose you every day for the rest of our lives.
I will be the man you need me to be for the rest of our lives. I would like to close by saying you will always be my very best friend, and I am the luckiest man on the planet. I love you more than anything, and thank you for making me the happiest man alive.
Becoming your wife has brought me the greatest joy. I love you and can't wait for what God has planned for the rest of our lives.
I was worth the love of someone.
The wedding rings symbolize two things. The gold represents purity, strength, and your love for one another. The unending circle represents the vows you are making to each other. Jackson, do you take Erin to be your wife? Erin, do you take Jackson to be your husband, to love, honor, and comfort in adversity or prosperity, in sickness or health, as long as you both shall live?
Yes, sir, I do.
I do.
Dressed up so fancy just because.
What God has joined together, let no one separate. Jackson, you may kiss your bride.